Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of RV accessories with what I believe is one of the best slim shade solutions for your RV door. The RV Thin Pleated Shade Replacement compatible with Lippert-prepped entry doors. This shade is specifically designed for Lippert-prepped entry doors, offering a perfect fit for RVs like Forest River, Keystone, and others that feature the Lippert door system. It measures 12 inches by 21 inches and is built to provide privacy and shade without compromising on style. It's tailored for Lippert shade-ready frames, ensuring easy installation and compatibility with various RV models. No need to replace the entire door window. Installation is straightforward and can be done in just 10 minutes. The opaque material blocks out sunlight, keeping your RV cooler and protecting interiors from UV damage. Made to last, it's a durable solution that enhances comfort and privacy during your travels. Now, let me show you how easy it is to install. Simply flip the shade upside down, slide it up from the bottom, and you're done. It's that simple. To sum it up, if you're looking to upgrade your RV with a reliable and easy-to-install window shade, this product from Novino is a top contender. Whether you're parked under the sun or just want some extra privacy, it's a worthwhile investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.